that function specification after the parameter and argument. We are seeing the concept already. You know the parameter means what? That is a variable, and argument means what? That is a value. So a is equal to 20. This is a parameter, this is a argument. Okay, here the parameter, the two concept we are seeing. No, what is the two concept? The parameter without type, and one more is the parameter with type. This is very important 5-mark questions also. Okay, and okay, now in this chapter there is some programs it's given. Some important things also is there here. You just look out. Now we can see the concept programs for parameter without type. Already you know without type means what is this? We no need to declare the data type. The last class we seen. No, this is example. Okay, now we can see how it's writing to the program here. Okay, here what is the program writing here? The power program is writing. How it's writing? We'll see. The first one, requires. Requires means that is an input like that. What are the input it's given to here? The b greater than or equal to 0. Okay, I'm given to the input. The process will be happening after the return value. The return finally what it's written to in my program is a to the power of b. Is that means a to the power of b. That the function it's writing, let rec power of a b equal to here, and if b is equal to 0 then 1, else means a into power of a b minus 1. Okay, we will see now. The requires, actually here the two condition is that one is the pre-condition, one more is the post condition is there. The two condition is there. Okay, here which is the pre-condition? Pre means the before writing a program, what it's given the before? The requires. Requires we should call as a pre-condition. What is we should call? This is called pre-condition. And the post condition means after write requires and also over after the finally its output it's given out, that is called is a post condition. This is the 1-mark questions. Okay, so what is preconditions? The precondition, which is the precondition here? The requires is the precondition. The returns is the post condition. There is a 2 point we want to see to here. Okay, and next one, let. Let means what is this? That is a function, that is a keyword. Let means what? That is the keyword. Already we know the keyword means that is given to the special meaning to the program. Rec means what? The recursive concept. What is this rec means what? Recursive. Okay, and POW, that is a power. That means this is called the function name. This is called what is this? Function name. What is the variable we are using? A, B. And in my condition, if B is equal to 0 means it's given to the 1. Suppose in my condition is not given to, my value is not 0 means we can execute to the else part. The else part, what is this? A into power of a b minus 1. This according to this condition it will be doing to the answer. The system will be calculated and given to the outputs. Okay, this is the without data type. Here is not mentioned the data type. Here which is the rec means what? That is the recursive functions. Okay, and the next one, as a parameter with type. One more type. What is this? Parameter with type. The with type means we want to use it to the data type. Here the a, b is not using a data type, but here they are using to the data type, that is called int. Okay, you just look out here. What is the differentiation in this program and in this program? Just look out. The requires and returns and all same like that only. And the function writing time, the before the data type, after the data type, they are writing declare to the data type. Okay, and one more, the parenthesis, the function, that means the function, that is the data type means we can use it to the separate parenthesis. That is an important 1-mark question also. The see here, the type mention A and B, the parentheses are mandatory. Dash or mandatory in the parameter without type, that the parentheses. Okay, and okay, you just look out to the note, a function definition which call itself. Okay, which function will be calling to itself here? Rec means what we are seeing? Recursive. Recursive means what is this? Already the previous year we are studying. Recursive means a function definition which call itself. That same tannatane is there is 1,000 time or 2,000 time the same function will be calling again. That is called recursive function. That is a 1-mark question.